Should you lie on your resume? Let me just tell you what I do. So I do not lie on my resume. And the reason why is because I'm interviewing the organization as much as they're interviewing me. They need to know exactly what they're getting themselves into, and I need to know exactly what I'm getting myself into, because I'm looking for something, you know, a year, 2 years, 3 years, or long term. Right? Longer than that. Permanent. Kind of like a relationship. When you get in a relationship, a serious relationship, it's better for the person to know everything they're going to get, right? The good, the bad, and the ugly. And it's better that the organization knows what they're going to get, right? You are advertising yourself. You don't have to go into personal things. You know what I mean? But when it comes to skill set, you want them to know what they're about to get. What I don't want to do is get into an organization and they think I know Splunk and they think I have 5 years on Splunk. I know what Splunk is, but I'm not going to be able to have a team under me and teach Splunk. My mindset is I want to get in there. I don't want there to be any kind of drama or issues. Right? So that's why I don't lie on my resume. I want to manage their expectations. The thing is, you'd be surprised how many organizations are open. Some organizations, they'll say, look, I see that you're working on your CISSP. You don't quite have it yet. That's fine. We have a program where we're going to get you a CISSP if you stay with us for 1 year. Like we're going to actually send you to a boot camp. We're going to pay for it. And IT, you see that kind of stuff. They'll bring you in and then they'll teach you and give you a lot of on-the-job training, and that is super valuable. I've had that happen to me several times. That's the thing. If you tell the truth, sometimes they'll help you. They'll help your career. That's why I don't lie on resumes. I don't recommend you do it. You want the right organization. You don't want to try to fit yourself. You're a round peg and trying to fit into a square hole. Like, you don't want that, right? That situation. But that's just me.